In the last video, I showed you how you can start to get traffic from Google. In this video, I'm going to switch over to a screen share in just a second. I'm going to show you the 3 things that your website needs to be able to do to turn traffic into booked jobs for your carpet cleaning business. So let's head over to the screen share. We're going to use this local carpet cleaner's website as an example today. There's 3 ways that people may want to contact you. Number 1 is that people might want to talk on the phone with you. Number 2 is that people may want to request a quote from you without talking on the phone. A lot of times they want to do it by email. And then number 3 is that some people just want to book an appointment with you and they don't even want to talk to you first. So this website does a good job of catering to all 3 of those audiences. I'm going to show you how, and your website needs to be able to do all 3 of these things as well. So keep that in mind as we go through this. So for the people who want to pick up the phone and call you, your website really needs to have a phone number in the upper right-hand corner. If you're on mobile, that website needs to be above the fold. It needs to be right at the top of the screen when someone opens your website on their phone, and it needs to be a click-to-call phone number, meaning when somebody clicks that phone number, it opens up the phone dialog, the phone prompt on your smartphone, and asks if you want to dial that phone number. So make sure you have click-to-call phone numbers on your website. So for people who want to talk with you on the phone, click-to-call phone numbers are going to be really helpful. For people who don't want to talk with you on the phone, people who maybe want to request a quote or have a question before they book, you want to provide a form on your website so that they can request information from you without having to pick up the phone. If you force someone to pick up the phone and call you to talk with you before they can book or, to get an answer to a simple question, some people are just never going to do it. They'll go to your competitor instead. So you want to put a form on your website so that people can easily request a quote. I like to include a form that collects the customer's name, phone number, email address, and then a brief description of what they need cleaned. And then I usually email that customer back with a quote. You can pick up the phone and call them as well if you want, but I usually email them back first. And then finally, you've got customers who just want to book an appointment. So get out of the way, let those customers book an appointment without having to actually contact you by phone or by email. Just let them book an appointment. So I like to do that with online booking. And if you use House Call Pro or Marcade or one of the other tools that a lot of carpet cleaners are using, then you've probably already got online booking set up. Make sure you link to your online booking portal from your homepage. In this case, I've got it in the main navigation. You could also put it in the header, or if you don't want to have a form on your homepage, you could actually just have a great big button that says book online, and you can send people to your online booking site. So those are the 3 things that your website needs to be able to do to turn traffic from Google into booked customers for your carpet cleaning business. If your website can't do all that, then your traffic's going to go to waste. So in the comments section today, let me know what problems you're having with your carpet cleaning website. Are customers able to find your website on Google? Are they able to request a quote easily? Let me know what problems you're having. I'll see if I can help. Again, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos about growing your carpet cleaning business and finding more customers, especially with Google, SEO, ads, that sort of thing. And head on over to GoSearchParty.com if you need help with this stuff. We've got a lot of plans available for carpet cleaners. My name's Reuben with SearchParty Marketing. I appreciate you watching. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I look forward to working with you in the future. Thanks a lot.